transitions from triangles into arm curls. There's another tutorial out there for just the arm curls like this, but instead of this entry you can also go into them from triangles, the two-arm triangles as well as one-arm triangles, but in this tutorial I'll show you the two-armed triangles. If you don't know how to go into triangles already, for tracing into the triangles I have other tutorials as well too, so if you struggle with that, check those out before and then come back for the transition into the arm curls. What you need if you go from a two-arm triangle into the arm curl, you need a triangle with the horizontal line going under the armpit. It doesn't matter if it's the open-ended or the crossed-ended one, it works with both. So go into a two-arm triangle with the horizontal line under the armpit, and then you take both ends in one hand. I always do it with a handle hand, grabbing also the fibers, giving a rather loose grip around the fibers because they need to slide through for the next step. So when you're here, you just take this horizontal line and pull it over the head, just like you pull over a jumper or something else, just over the head. Then you're in this shape, this kind of diamond shape, and here this hand grabs the fibers, the other hand the handle, and then you can open into the arm curls and dance around whatever you want. And when you just close your arms, if your hands close together, you get into the diamond shape, and if you open your arms, you get into the arm curls, and then you can just play with it. And to get out of it, for this part, just pull it off, because the other option leads to the one-arm triangle, and that will be the next tutorial.